Hello, Cedar Park, Texas. My name is Joe. I run AmericanRoofSupplements.com. I maximize roofing claims for roofers all over America. I got some guys that are in the North Austin area, and here's the thing, guys. They're doing work. They're doing exactly what they're supposed to do. I get to see the back end of their work because I do their supplements, and I'm trying to help them get more customers for their business. So here's what we're doing. It's 100% complimentary. Click the link in the description. It'll take you to my website. Watch that video, fill out that form, and I'm going to have one of my guys call you, and they're going to set you up on a free roofing inspection. And we're going to go through the whole thing with you. We're checking for wind and hail damage. If there is damage, then we will take you through the full spectrum of your insurance. But first things first, we have to check to see what kind of insurance you have and see what kind of policy it is, and then we'll go ahead and take you through the whole thing. If you don't have enough damage, then we will wait. We'll put it on hold for 6 months or a year or 18 months. We'll keep waiting for new storms to come through. And periodically you'll get a call, and then we'll come back out and we'll keep checking your roof. That way, when you got somebody and they're knocking on your door, you can say, hey, I've already got a roof guy, And it's like just a roof checkup, super simple. But I'm just, instead of them going out and knocking on doors and doing their due diligence like that, you can find something like this and then go through the process. And that you're raising your hand for help instead of somebody, knocking on your door. I always think about it like this, you got this girl and she's got a scar on her face, and she goes to the surgeon, and she's like, hey, can you fix my face? That's so much better than a surgeon going to them and being like, your face is I can do something about that. It's completely, totally different feel, Go ahead, click the link in the description, fill out that form. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye.